This was our first time staying at PVL Suites Dumaguete, and I chose it because it's conveniently located near the boulevard. Upon arrival, we were greeted by the welcoming reception area. The staff were incredibly friendly and helpful, making the check-in process smooth and quick. The small restaurant, which also serves as the breakfast area, is just a short walk from the lobby. While the food is decent, nothing extraordinary, it's more than enough to start your day on a positive note. Next, we head up to our one-bedroom suite where we give a quick tour of the room. It was comfortable, well-equipped, and perfect for a short stay. However, one area for improvement is the flooring. Some of the laminate was damaged or coming off, which could be a minor safety concern, but it didn't significantly affect our stay. The bathroom in the one-bedroom suite is much bigger than the one in the two-bedroom suite. For our late checked out, we upgraded to a two-bedroom suite. While the room was spacious, we found that the bathroom wasn't really designed with larger guests in mind. It's a bit tight and may not be the most comfortable for those who need extra space. Overall, PVL Suites is a good place to stay with welcoming service and a great location. It's just a short walk from the medical center, not far from the boulevard, and it's also very close to the airport, making it a convenient spot for travelers. Finally, we wrap up with the checkout and transport experience. We decided to book a ride through the hotel, but unfortunately, the price was much higher compared to a regular taxi from the airport. We paid 980 pesos, which was a bit disappointing as it didn't feel like the best value for money.